This is a video on how to use the quadratic formula. To start off, you're going to need a quadratic equation in the simplest form, and each of the coefficients is plugged into the quadratic formula to get your answers. Let's use an example. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So first you have to figure out which coefficients are equal to which number in the equation. So a goes before x squared. In front of x squared here we have nothing, so that's a 1. In front of x we have b, so here b equals 5, and c is 6. Now we can look to our quadratic formula and plug in each of the values. So minus b, which is 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared, also 5, minus 4, and then a is 1, and c is 6, all over 2, a is 1. Now you solve and these are your answers.